Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be trying on and reviewing this hair from UNiceHair. These are just some goodies that it came with: some lashes, an edge band, a satin protective case for the hair, and some wig caps, which will come in handy. So this is the hair. It's a 6x4.5 pre-cut and pre-bleached glueless lace, and it's a water wave air wig. I absolutely love how this already came bleached and cut. Literally all you have to do is just throw it on. So I've already braided my hair. I'm just going to be using Got To Be gel to lay my edges away from my face. Now I'm just going to be using alcohol and a cotton pad to remove any makeup so that it's easier for the wig cap to stick. So now I'm just going to be putting on this wig cap, and this is just going to make the wig look a lot smoother and a lot better, especially since I have an irregular hairline. So a wig cap is a must. I'm going to be using Got To Be spray to lay the cap down. I'm just using a blow dryer on cool temperature to speed up the drying process. I love these wig caps. They're literally so seamless and thin, and it was just so easy to apply. I'm so glad that they sent these along with the wig. It just made it super convenient. I'm going to be applying foundation to the wig cap just so that it blends better with my skin. Now I'm just going to be putting on the wig. This is literally straight out of the box. So I already liked how it came. It came pre-bleached, pre-cut. I liked the texture of the hair. So what I'm gonna do is just throw it on, and it has little clips on the side, and I'm just trying to secure the clips to the wig cap. I do have a lot of hair, so it was a little bit difficult to secure that, but we got it. We made it work. I am going to be applying some setting foam just to define some of these curls. But this is the final look. I absolutely love this wig. I love how natural it looks. Love how it was easy to melt, and I didn't even have to use any glue. I literally wore this wig glueless. But that concludes this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video.